Unable to import a module that is definitely installed. After installing Mechanize, I don't seem to be able to import it. I have tried installing from pip, easy_install, and via python setup.py install from this repo, this URL. All of this to no avail, as each time I enter my Python interactive I get the installations I ran previously reported that they had completed successfully, so I expect the import to work. What could be causing this error?
The Python import mechanism works, really, so, either your Python path is wrong. Your library is not installed where you think it is. You have another library with the same name masking this one.
In my case, it is permission problem. The package was somehow installed with root AW permission only, other user just cannot AW to it.
It's the Python path problem. In my case, I have Python installed in. And there is no site packages directory within the Python 2.6. The package, SOP, I installed by pip is located. And site package is not in the Python path. All I did is add site packages to Python path permanently. Open up terminal. Type open.bash_profile. In the text file that pops up, add this line at the end. Save the file, restart the terminal, and you're done.
I had the same problem. Script with import colorema was throwing an importerror, but sudo pip install colorema was telling me package already installed. My fix, run pip without sudo pip install colorema. Then pip agreed it needed to be installed, installed it, and my script ran. Or even better, use python m pip install. The benefit of this is, since you are executing the specific version of Python that you want the package in, pip will unequivocally install the package into the right Python. Again, don't use sudo in this case, then you get the package in the right place, but possibly with unwanted root permissions. My environment is Ubuntu 14.04 32-bit. I think I saw this before and after I activated my virtualenv.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.